The sun is finally starting to set down. And we're getting ready for the fire. Look at all of this wood. It's a lot of wood. A lot of wood. A lot of wood. And we threw most of his house in here. All the chairs by the bonfire.
Okay. Spend your time into the full line.
Very little light left. It's very pretty out here though. We're just waiting for the bonfire. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit.